Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 1st, 2021. Take a look. This is NIO's price chart, and this is where the market price has gone since our last video, which was on June the 2nd, 2021. We told everyone on that particular video that we were expecting the market price in NIO to go higher, and over the last 2 or 3 days, it has surpassed our ultimate TP price, which is fine. But you know what? This is profitability, right? So now we're going to come through, tell everyone in our community what we're expecting the market to do, if it's expected to do anything, so that we can be in position and win. You want to join the team? Hit the like button, share and subscribe here to the channel, because we're not here to give you any hype. We're not here to give you any FUD, any FOMO. We're just simply trying to be in position so that we can capitalize on beating the trap, right? He is our opponent. He is our competitor. We're going against him, and we need to make sure that we get the competitive advantage and that we can dominate the market and win. So if you want to join us, go ahead and do that before you head out. All right, so let's check this out. Like I said, the last time we did our price prediction was on June the 2nd. You guys can tell we played a strength, 12.87% into the market. Excellent job. Let's get rid of it. Let's move on, right? So real quick, what trend is the market in NIO going through, right? It's obvious. The market in NIO is in an uptrend. Pretty strong uptrend at that, matter of fact. The closest price point before we'll see some selling is already here. We're already here in this space to see the market in NIO go down. So I'm gonna be real with you all. I'm not going to hype you up. I'm not going to tell you that everything is rainbows and cupcakes and lollipops, right? We got to realize that stocks do go down too. And the nearest area that we can expect to see the price in NIO go down is already here. We're already knocking on the door to start to see some weakness come into the market in NIO. It's either around $54.50 up here towards 55 or 56. So we need to expect that, right? If anyone is not trying to put you on guard, put you on notice as to what's to occur, they don't have your best interests, right? So expect that. We need to expect selling to come into the market in NIO real soon. Now, that's from a daily perspective. That simply means that when the market do fall, when the price do go down, we have this support area to grab the market, to hold it. Okay, and then closest area support is going to be right there around 48. So let me show you if the market in NIO actually has the ability to make all-time highs, because no one's going to tell you that right now, but we will. And this market here in NIO is extremely strong. Okay, the only hurdle that's going to stop the market in NIO from making all-time highs is this restriction line that I just created. That's it. Break above that, we're going to come back up towards the $64 to $67 area throughout the rest of 2021. I'm here to tell you that right now. So right now, the market here in NIO is really, really strong. $48 is going to be our support area in the market in NIO for the long term. This is the 5-day. It looks great here too, right? Very massive spread. The volume is averaged from what we see in the last 3 5-day price bars. So there's not like a mass rush in NIO. Like, people are not rushing in to buy this on a lot of hype, on a lot of fear of missing out. They're not. They haven't grabbed that yet. Looking at this on the weekly time frame in NIO, again, we still look pretty good. Now we got a day and 10 hours left, but $48 is where we're eyeing the market to hold support on any bouts of weakness. 3 weeks time frame looks good too. So pretty much every time frame that I go from, you guys can see us getting a lot of strength. And this is the 3-month time frame. You guys can see from a 3-month basis, even the market in NIO is willing to hold the overall trend in this space. Okay, this is where the 3-month time frame is where we can actually see the prospect of NIO trying to make all-time highs from a 3-month period. So in the next 3 months, we can try to anticipate the market in NIO trying to make all-time highs. Will it make it? That's still yet to be determined, but it is on the table. All right. So real quick, we're still going to play the strength into the market in NIO. Okay. Only thing would be for us to be careful as to where support is. And that's why I really wanted to emphasize $48, even right around 44. Okay. That would put us towards our ascending line. Right, so the price will go right down to our ascending line right there around 44 if we can hold price at 48. Okay, so let me go ahead and try to drop a prediction real quick. And we said that we're looking for the price to go higher. Okay, now $48 is where we're looking for the market to try to grab support on any bouts of weakness. 48 can't hold, then our next area already would be our ascending line. I'm telling you this already, that we're close already to expect the price in NIO to go down. Okay, so maybe you want to wait until after that time that NIO actually drops in price and wait to see if the market is able to grab support at 48 or even this ascending line. That would be the prime area to pounce and jump into this market and participate in the next leg higher. I'm just saying. But since the market closed at $53.20 yesterday, we're going to create the prediction right there. Okay. Now for us to see the market come towards all-time highs, that would be about another 25% increase in price. Okay. Now, like I said, from a 3 month perspective, this is on the table. To see the market in NIO try to attempt to make all-time highs. So first hurdle, the first obstacle is $53 or 54, 55. What is that? Around $56. Okay. Expect that. So I'm just putting you all on notice. I'm putting you all on guard that be prepared to see the market in NIO give us some weakness or some movement lower. Okay. But generally, we're still seeing the market strength come through. For us, we're going to do our next TP right there around $60 in the market in NIO. Now, it wouldn't be crazy to come in and try to TP out around 56. That's 4.87%. Because we are already under the premise that we can see the market dip there. So just before it goes lower, just before NIO's price goes lower, go ahead and take that 4.87% out the market, right? Go ahead and take it out. Which is right there. Okay. All right, so now that's it. This is what we're expecting the market to do in NIO over the next couple of days to weeks. All right. So now you're on our team. Let us know where do you all think the price in NIO is going to go, all without being confused. Drop us a comment in the comment section and tell us what do you expect this price to do over the next weeks. Well, give me 2 weeks. In the next 2 weeks, what do you all think the price in NIO is going to be? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.